everyone, welcome back to today's vlog. For the past week, I've been cleaning and reorganizing my room, especially since it's the new year. The context behind this is that we have a digital piano downstairs that my mom wants to move into my room. So I took this as a chance to change up my room, you know, move things around and do a deep clean. And I also thought it would be a great video idea to bring you guys along with me. So let's get into Roy's little room renovation, redecoration thing. Yep. So after Christmas, my room has gotten a bit messy. My desk is a bit cluttered and my makeshift cable management isn't holding up that great. I've got clothes to fold and random Christmas gifts on the floor, and my closet isn't that neat right now, so that's the first thing we're going to clean up today. Now that the closet's done, I think the next thing that we're gonna do is sort out my bed situation. So the plan is, since my mom wanted to put the piano in my room, I'm gonna have the piano here. It's quite long, I measured it, it's about 145 centimeters. So I'm gonna try have it from here across to wherever, and then push up my bed to that wall over there. So I'm gonna need to sort out those bags there, these bedside tables, which are getting a bit messy, as well as my messy cables down here. And these are stuff I got for Christmas that I forgot to put away. So yeah, figured that out, and I also need to change my bed sheets, which I think that's what I'll do first. Okay, as you can see, I moved my bed to the wall. Pretty good. I think I'm okay with it here. I've measured out 145 centimeters. It looks like the piano fits. So yeah, I need to sort out the stuff that's in here, see if it's anything that I need to keep. Same thing with here. But otherwise, we're looking pretty good here so far. It's just the desk that we're gonna need to fix up soon. So I might put this up against this wall here next to my guitar. Okay, so I'm still cleaning this bit out. Most of this stuff in here I don't really need anymore. Same thing with the stuff in here. So once we finish this, we can move on to my desk, which is covered in clutter right now. Alright, this is how we're looking now. Desk is completely clean and wiped down. Got keyboard, mouse, my setup here, my headphones, my switch, and then I got my microphone. Alright, so what we've done instead is just bunched all these cables together and just pushed them to the side behind this cabinet. A bit more obvious than having it taped on here, but yeah. Alright, this is my room. 4 to 5 hours later, but I don't think we're going to be putting the piano in today, so hopefully this coming week I can get the piano in here just have the shelf that has been sitting on my wall there. I just put it here for now and a little plant in the meantime, but soon we'll just have the piano in here, and then hopefully a rug or something. So we'll see how things go. I want to go for a little IKEA trip to get some decor that I want to put around my room, but yeah, looking good for the day. So I'll see you guys on our next update. We're at IKEA. I'm just eating. I need to pick up my shelf, my trolley, and a rug, which are all downstairs. So we're gonna eat first and then pick those things up for my room. It tastes like strawberry. Just the 130. So 130. Alright. Yoink. We secured the rug, so I just need to get my shelves and possibly some more plants for my shelf and my piano, which I don't know when I'm going to put the piano in my room, but we'll see. One shelf here, part there. So the long one's 110 and the other one is 30. So they add up to 140, which is the length of my desk. So it should perfectly match my desk. Don't ask what happened, it just happened. Okay. Got 15 of these for my dad. I don't know if I'm gonna have the storage space in my phone to record everything, but I'll try my best. But yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna get all 15 of these. This is for my dad. I don't know how I'm gonna get all 15 of these in the car. This is my shelf. Wish us luck. Oh my gosh. That. We've got everything else. So it actually fit pretty well, to be honest. So we'll head home now. We've been out for a long time, so. Alright, we have our stuff. These are the plants. I'm gonna see how the rug looks like now. I'm probably gonna have my piano come up here tomorrow. So I have my shelf and stuff. I'll probably set that up tonight, hopefully. If not, what's happening tomorrow. Here we go. Yeah, that looks good. I like that. Could probably move it up a little so it's centered with my bed, but I'm happy. So, got to set up these two shelves, which you can see. They add up to 140. This is 140. So I'm gonna have them up here, which I'll put my plants on. And the last thing we do is finally put the piano in my room, and that will be the complete look for my new room. See you guys then. I'm not using this shelf anymore because I already bought some yesterday, so. Alright guys, so that closes us for this day. We moved the piano here, sadly broke one of the wires for the pedals, but it is what it is. So tomorrow hopefully we're going to get our shelves up of our desk. I have this one and the smaller one, which add up to the 140 centimeters that my desk is. So you can see what I put around my piano. I just have the tiny plates that I got from IKEA, my lamp. My Mac here has finally a place to charge. The desk is looking messy again, but that's okay. It's just a bunch of stuff that I can get rid of. So I've got these plants here, which I'm gonna put up on my shelf. These are the two shelves here, and I'm gonna have them across here tomorrow. So we'll see you guys then. Yay!
Done skiing.
Got my shelves. Alright. Hi everyone. I'm happy to say that my room is complete. Everything that I needed to move has been moved. I've installed the shelves, I moved the bed, the piano, got my new rug, and I've cleaned all the stuff that I needed to clean. I think it's been a week since I've started redoing all my stuff in here. So I'm going to show you, since I brought you guys all along to see the whole process, I'm going to show you the final product. Alright, so moving on from my desk with its new shelves, I have my bed moved up to the wall here. Makes my room a lot bigger than it was before, with the bed being on the side. So I've put a rug from IKEA here, and on the side I've just put one of my bedside tables. I've got my headphones and some other stuff in there. It's like a little cranny with a plant and then my guitar. This other stuff I'm gonna need to, there's like nothing in here. I'm gonna need to find a place for that, like council pickup or something, and I'm gonna put this shelf in the garage because I'm not using that anymore. Anyway, we have the piano here. Looks really good. So it's a Kawaii digital piano. I've had it for like over 10 years, so it's really good. However, we broke the wire that connects the pedals to the actual keyboard, so the pedals don't work. So yeah, that's my new room now. I'm really happy with how it looks. I think my room is a lot more like airy. There's space to walk, there's space to just like chill, and I have a lot of my relaxing stuff in my room, like the guitar, the piano, and now my desk is looking a lot more cozy and confined with these new shelves. So yeah, big thumbs up from me. Thank you guys for watching, and it was really fun to bring you guys along this mini journey as I decorate my new reorganize my room. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.